Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to a brand new tutorial on using Matplotlib. In today's video we'll learn how to create scatter charts. So without further ado, let's get started by importing Matplotlib as .pyplot as plt. Very simple. And we need numpy, so import numpy as np. Then we need to create x and y values, so scatter charts needs both x and y points. So here's x will be nb dot range, and the range will be 20 points, and the y values will be some random numbers, so np dot random dot rand int, and the values will be between 0, 5, and size will be 20, and size should match between x and y. If they don't match, you will get an error. And finally we'll say plt scatter. Here's scatter, and we add x and y. Finally plt dot show, and let's run and see the results. And here's our chart. Now it seems like the scatter chart is a line chart with the lines connecting the markers are missing. It's somewhat like that, but here's how it can be useful. Let's create another set. So x1 will be, let me just copy this, and x1 y1, and here will be between 5 and 10. Then just for x1 and y1, run. Okay, y2, run it, and here we go. Now for most part, scatter chart is not useful unless you have huge data set of points and you want to see where these points are located. So maybe this point concentrate near the left chart or the right of the chart, so you want to see their position, so you get a general idea of what this dataset you have represents. But basically that's it. So that's it for me guys in this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.